What's up, guys? I've honestly been waiting a very long time to make this video. Why, you ask? This Carolina Reaper pepper. Been waiting for these suckers to grow because my plant was kind of not taking off much. And then they started putting out a bunch of these pods, and it was taking so long to turn red. But now we're finally here. Okay, so you're probably asking, okay, what am I gonna do? Well, I am going to eat this pepper. Yes, the whole pepper. And times past when I've grown super hots, I have sliced little pieces off and just tried it to try the heat. But this time, I'm going to eat the entire pepper. Just excluding, of course, the stems. Or, not stems, there's only one stem. But stem, I'm going to eat the rest, I'm going to eat the whole pepper. You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Look at this sucker. Let's do this! First of all, I need to get it ready for this. Alright, I'm about to eat this Carolina Reaper. I've tried it before, and I've tried the scorpion and the ghost pepper, but just slices. I've never eaten the entire thing. Since I've never done that, I mean, even though I love hot foods, and I love trying the extreme hot, I'm gonna come prepared with a cup of milk, just in case. Alright, do this. Okay, I cut the stem off, as you can see. And I'm holding it in this paper towel because I don't want to get those juices on my finger because, well, let's be real, that's pretty terrible. Even just with jalapenos. And this is a lot more hotter than jalapenos. So, yeah. Now, a jalapeno is about, say, 7,000 Scovilles, something like that. And a Reaper can be between 1,400,000 and 2,200,000 Scovilles, at an average of 1,569,383. and 383. So, yeah, it's hot. So, wish me luck. Let's do this. Not too bad so far. Heat's building though. I don't know why my heart's like, ooh, it's pretty warm. Ooh, that is sitting at the back of my tongue. Whew. You almost can't breathe because that hot breath makes it worse. Oh, this is the hottest thing I've ever had, for sure. Whew. Not punching out yet, not grabbing the milk. My eyes are watering though. Oh my gosh. Whoo. Whew. That's pretty wicked stuff, man. I'm glad I decided to do this on a Saturday instead of a Sunday, because I definitely could not go to work the next day. Because I'd be tearing up my stomach. Clearing up my nose, definitely. Whew. Is my face getting flushed? Looks a little bit. Hooey mama. I can feel it in my stomach already. Whew. Whew. It's still hot, but it's definitely dying down. It's getting into the back of my throat now. My nose is running a lot. Whew. Whew. Now it's mostly in the back of my throat, just a little bit on my back of my tongue. But it's decreasing. But still pretty wicked. Ooh, mama. Whew. Whew. Definitely do not recommend it if you're faint of heart. Whew. Because you'd be hitting the bell. Ding, 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 ding. I'm out. Because this is pretty bad. Let me tell you. I can definitely say that's by far hotter than anything I've ever eaten. By far. Whew. Hootie ma. It's going down. Still there, but slowly decreasing. Slowly decreasing. Whew. It's like a consistent burn. No, it's like starts out slow and then goes whoosh, and then it like simmers slowly down. I'm gonna blow my nose again. Whew. Oh. Clean up my sinuses. Need to probably do this about once a week or something. Clean me out. Clean my whole system out. Going down. If you have the pain threshold, it's definitely doable. But if you do not, then like I said, you're gonna be tapping out quick. This stuff's definitely wicked. And I got probably a dozen more pods waiting to ripen up. Oh, it's definitely eating in my stomach already. I can feel that. Not quite like I think it was a scorpion I had. it felt like physical pain. Like it felt like my stomach was like clenched like this, like a fist. It definitely doesn't feel like that, but definitely feel like it's going through my system already. Still burning. Not as much. It's like going, not like the back of my throat that's in my mouth, but like it's going down my throat. And it's a little bit on the back of my tongue. And I feel like when I talk, my hot breath, it makes it hot again after it kind of stops. Or not stops, but goes down a little bit. Did not even touch the milk. See? Still full. I don't want to spill it, but it's still full. It's basically gone. Well, that basically wraps that up. Hope you enjoyed my pain, and subscribe and like. Send to your friends and family. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good night. Bye. Okay, I lied to you. It's not gone away. I'm still here. Though I still have not drank any milk. Oh, still burning. Still burning. It's like just sitting on my tongue. Still burning. Still burning. Still burning. It sounds like a song, kind of. Isn't it key something? I don't remember. I can't think of it off the top of my head. But still burning. Still like, it's kind of like, reminds me of the Sandlot. Still burning. Like when talking about the dog monster thing that ate the balls. That wasn't really a dog monster thing. It was just a dog. I don't know. My train of thought's all over the place. As always. Still burning. Still burning in love. It's definitely, I feel it in my stomach a lot faster than any pepper I've had or hot food I've had. It's like, usually I'll eat something in it, you know, feel a little bit, but it's like, I feel it like already burning like in the bottom of my stomach. Like I'm gonna be in the bathroom soon. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Still burning. Still burning. It's basically gone though. This time. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off this time. Bye.